Chris with OmniDeck. You may be seeing some of our marketing collateral about get off your apps and maybe be thinking to yourself, what does that mean? Well, what we mean with OmniDeck is we're trying to reduce the amount of software as a service it takes to run your business. What happens to a lot of construction companies is they start playing whack-a-mole with technology. 15 years ago, when I was selling software into a construction company, I always had to go talk to the IT guy first. And the first question I would ask them is my solution on your 2 to 3 year roadmap? And they would kind of tell me, yeah, it's on the books, maybe it's not in our budget this year, but we are looking at that type of technology. And that would kind of tell me, is this an opportunity to possibly sell our product to the company? Well, fast forward to where it is now, and where it's been, frankly, over the last 7 to 10 years, is that as software went to software as a service business models, every department said, you know what, we can just go buy this app, it's in our budget. And also simultaneously, we were outsourcing our IT department to a third party. So what ended up happening is there was no gatekeeper anymore, and all of our departments were just solving the needs of the department without thinking about the company's overall technology stack. And where that pops up as a problem is when we're onboarding new employees, because we find out that we're having to train them 7 or 8 different applications, and we end up just training them to kind of the bare minimum of how to access the program, what we use it for. And that's what creates a very stagnant and minimal use of the technology that we're buying, although the software as a subscription keeps increasing year over year. So this is what we mean by reducing the dependency on your existing software as a services. So how do we do that? Well, we believe that every company needs an intranet portal first. And an intranet portal built on the OmniDeck platform allows you to take all of the business processes, the simple ones all the way from PTO to expense reports, and then moving those into purchase requisitions and daily reports and time cards and things that are going to drive the business. Now, OmniDeck lets you have the flexibility to simply drag and drop and create the same experience you're already doing. Even if you already have fillable PDFs, you can just maintain the fillable PDF in the system too. We actually support that as well. So the concept there is to try to put as many business processes as we can in the intranet portal. So when we're onboarding a new employee, we just say, hey, look, this is our intranet portal. Every process we have currently and in the future, we can roll this out. If you have a departmental need and you want to recommend that as a process for the portal, we can build that in an afternoon, and everybody knows how to use it because it's the same place to approve, the daily report's the same place to approve this new process, and then I can report on it at a data point level, which is super powerful. We call that OmniDeck Insights. So this concept, when you start looking at the processes that flow through your company, you don't really need a separate app for expense reports. You don't need a separate app for timesheets or work tickets, but it opens up more opportunities for some of the ancillary stuff that it's just paper today because there's not an app that maybe solves that solution for that specific process. So that's what we mean by getting off your apps and looking at building out your own intranet portal strategy with OmniDeck. Now you can try OmniDeck for free for 7 days if you visit omnideck.com, and our pricing structure is not scary. It's $25 per user for the boss users. Those are the guys that actually build forms and have to approve things through the workflow. But the people that submit the forms, those guys are $10 a user, and even less to scale. So you have a really cool opportunity to kind of automate a lot of the ancillary processes you have and really simplify your technology stack moving forward. So check out omnideck.com if you want more information and want to sign up for a demo or a free trial. Omnideck.com. Thanks so much.